So, good day everyone, this is Aliyah Barnedo, and today we're going to do a review about this book entitled The Peculiar Tale by Anak ni Rizal. So, honestly speaking, nahihirapan ako maghanap ng literature book since need na local authors yung gumawa. So, buti na lang naalala ko na may malibro ako dito sa bahay, and yan, nakita ko to. So, please excuse my voice if hindi siya talaga because I have a fever today. So, yeah, let's start. So honestly, tapos ko na to last year pa, December. And binasa ko ulit siya ngayon para make sure lang na hindi ko na, make sure na naalala ko pa lahat ng scenes. So yeah, this book really fascinated me because if you're a bookworm na mahilig magbasa ng science fiction or fantasy book, I would really recommend this to you. Since this is all about Jill Morse na may kakaibang superpowers, na kapag, please excuse the background noise since it's really noisy in our so yeah. So balik tayo kay Jill Morse. Si Jill Morse is may kakaibang superpowers, and kapag yung superpowers niya is kapag nakita niya or naka-eye to eye niya yung isang tao, is makikita niya yung future niya nito, which is ayaw niya because she believe na the future is already determined. So yeah, until then, hinayaan niya lang yun, not until she interfere with destiny. Na ayaw na niyang nakikita na lang na alam niya na kung paano mamatay yung isang tao, but hinahayaan niya lang. So yeah, she interfere with destiny. Until then, ang dami niyang na-discover, ang daming plot twist dito. So I would really recommend this to you guys. Dun na din na laman niya yung organization called Memoir. Yung Memoir kasi, yun yung organization na nanguhuli ng mga taong may peculiar powers. Peculiar powers! Like, okay. Okay. Peculiar powers. Sila yung organization na ginagamit nila yung ability or superpowers ng people na may peculiar powers nga to for their own good. So ang daming missions dito, like mamangha ka talaga sa story nito kung paano nila nasolusyonan lahat ng problems, and meron pa dito na plot twist na gustong gusto ko talaga. Kung gusto niyo malaman din yun, please basahin niyo ito. And overall, I would rate this book 9 out of 10. Kasi super ganda niya talaga, and super ganda niya talaga since super ganda niya, and kung gusto niyo pa na tawag dito, nabasa ko na rin yung second book niya, The Peculiar Tale book ko din. Kung na-enjoy niyo talaga yung pagbabasa ng book 1, merong book 2, and ito yung continuation ng book 1. So yeah, that's all, and thank Thank you. So, again, this is Ania Bernardo, and this is my book review. Thank you and God bless.